Hello everyone. Again we are here with our new chapter of mathematics, which is chapter number 5, arithmetic progressions. Okay, and previously with the same online learning which was going on in a month of April, we have covered or we have completed chapter number 3 and chapter number 4. Chapter number 3, which is pair of linear equation in two variable, and chapter number 4, which is quadratic equation. Chapter number 3 was taught by me, and chapter number 4 Mamta ma'am has taught. Okay, and second chapter of the same NCERT textbook we have studied when classes were running in the month of March. Okay, so let us start our new chapter, which is arithmetic progressions. So in this video we will deal or we will understand the very basic concept of arithmetic progressions and first term and common difference. Okay, see, consider this following list of numbers, or you can say sequence of numbers. Okay, sequence of numbers. See, first is 1 3 5 7, second is 170 40 10 minus 20 and so on, third is minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 and so on, fourth is 3 3 3 3 3 and so on, fifth is minus 1.0 minus 1, second is minus 1.5, next minus 2.0 minus 2.5 and so on. This dot 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 represents so on, means that this sequence or list of numbers are infinite. Infinite means never ending. Okay, so let us understand this list of numbers or sequence of numbers are making some pattern or not. If these are making some pattern, then they are arithmetic progressions. Such list of numbers or such sequence of numbers are arithmetic progressions if they follow a certain pattern. See, first one is 1 3 5 7 and so on. Each number of the sequence is called as term, means we have in the first sequence we have 4 terms. Okay, in the second list or sequence we have 5 terms, in third list or sequence we have 5 terms, in fourth list or sequence we have 5 terms, and in last one we have 4 terms. Okay, we are given with 4 terms. See, 1 3 5 7, this is the first term, second term, third term and fourth term. If these terms follow a certain pattern, okay, means if the difference between the two terms is same, then this type of list of number or sequences be termed as or known as arithmetic progressions. Okay, see, this I have already told, each of the number in the list is called term. Okay, now let us understand what are arithmetic progressions. An AP is list or sequence of number in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. It means what? AP is a list or sequence of number in which each number is obtained, means we get each term or each number by adding or subtracting a fixed number. Okay, adding or subtracting a fixed number to the preceding term. Like, see here, minus 4 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 and 0. See, first term is minus 4, second term is minus 3, third term is minus 2. How we got this sequence of the number? See, we have added plus 1 to the minus 4, then we got minus 3. Now we have added plus 1 to the minus 3, then we got minus 2. Again we have added plus 1 to the minus 2, then we got minus 1. Again we have added plus 1, so minus 1 plus 1 is 0. So to get further terms, next terms or succeeding terms of this sequence, we need to add 1 to this term, 0. So 1 plus 0 is 1. Then again adding 1 to this next term, 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, and so on. By this way we'll get many more terms of this sequence. Okay, why? Because here difference between the two terms is same or fixed. Difference between the two terms is fixed. Okay, see, in AP we get the AP or sequence or list of numbers which will be called as AP by adding a fixed number or subtracting a fixed number to the preceding term of the sequence. Okay, for example, see 100, 150, 200 and 250 and so on. This is in an AP. Why? First term is 100, second term is 150, third term is 200. See, difference between these two terms. See, second term minus first term is 50, third term minus second term is 50, fourth term minus third term is also 50. So difference is same, fixed number here is 50. Okay, see this also 4, 2, 0, minus 2 and so on. See, difference between the two terms is minus 2. See, difference between third term and second term, 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Okay, and difference between fourth term and third term is also minus 2. See, minus 2 minus 0 is minus 2. So here fixed number is minus 2. Okay, now see what is common difference. Common difference is denoted by D. This fixed number which we add or subtract to obtain the succeeding term, it can be positive, negative or 0. Here common difference D is 50, here common difference D is minus 2. Okay, now let A, how to find common difference? See, let A be the first term of AP and second term of AP is A2 and third term of AP is A3 and so on. Then AP will be A1, A2, A3, A4 and so on till nth term. Nth term will be AN. So how to find common difference? This we have already discussed previously. See, A2 minus A1, okay, will give you common difference if A2 minus A1 is equals to A3 minus A2 is equals to A4 minus A3. Okay, so this is the common difference of AP. Now see general form of an AP. If A is the first term of AP and D is the common difference. Okay, AP, now you are well known what is AP. Okay, AP is a list of number or sequence of number which has a same common difference between the two terms. Okay, see, if A is the first term of AP and D is the common difference, then general form of AP is first term will be A. Very clear it is, first term will be A. Okay, second term will be A plus D, third term will be A plus 2D and fourth term will be A plus 3D and so on. Okay, similarly fifth term will be A plus 4D, sixth term will be A plus 5D and so on. Okay, so this were the very basic things of arithmetic progressions, means how to identify the given list of number is in AP or not, how to get the common difference, and what is the general form of AP. Further we will solve some of the exercise question of 5.1.